This is my 2014 HD Canon camcorder. I use it to film some of my YouTube videos, but has the actually the cover right here where you undo the lens, and it still records good. All right, now we're going to record. All right, and now we'll hit this button with the arrow right there to show you what videos I've recorded. And those are also the videos I just did of my hedge trimmer. But anyway, still runs good, and I use it to record most of my YouTube videos. I mean, well, lots of my YouTube videos, but it's been a good camera for me. And here's the tripod I have for it to use when I want to use whenever I'm away from my camera recording, and that's pretty cool also. But anyway, that's a look of my 2014 Canon HD camcorder.